Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hair condition and desired result. This matters because gloss acts as a toner and deposit-only glaze. Once you know level and porosity, weigh 1/2 Oz Shades EQ with 1/2 Oz Developer 10 or 20 in a non-metal bowl and stir until smooth. Make sure to wear gloves and apply to a small strand first, timing 5-10 minutes to preview tone. This early test avoids surprises and lets you adjust developer strength before full application. You'll work efficiently. Damp, towel-blotted hair spreads product evenly, so section into 4-6 parts and start at the most resistant areas like ends or previously lightened bands. Once done, apply Shades EQ in thin, even layers with a brush and comb through for uniform deposit. Make sure to overlap slightly to avoid banding. Monitor development. Lighter deposit may take 10 minutes. Stronger glaze up to 20. Then check a section and adjust timing if you need more or less intensity. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water until it runs clear. Then apply a moisturizing mask or the included conditioner for 3-5 minutes to seal cuticle and lock gloss. Once done, style as usual. If results are too warm or muddy, make sure to correct quickly. You can retone with a slightly cooler Shades EQ shade diluted with clear base, or use one clarifying shampoo to remove over-deposited pigment before reapplying properly. Always strand test fixes first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.